English explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today we are diving into a special kind of pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. These little words help us talk about what belongs to whom without having to repeat ourselves. Let's explore how they work and why they are so important. What are possessive pronouns? A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that shows ownership instead of saying the book of rhythm. We can simply say her book. But possessive pronouns do even more. They can stand alone without the noun. For example, this book is mine. That car is yours. See how we don't need to repeat the noun. It's all about keeping things simple and clear. Think about something you own, like a phone or a book. How would you say it's yours? Try saying this. This phone is mine. Now, there are several kinds of possessive pronouns. Let's break them down. For example, mine. It refers to something that belongs to me. This is mine. Yours. It refers to something that belongs to you. The choice is yours. His. It refers to something that belongs to him. That hat is his. Hers. It refers to something that belongs to her. The red bag is hers. Its. It refers to something that belongs to it, often used for animals or things. For example, the cat licked its paw. Ours. It refers to something that belongs to us. For example, the victory was ours. Theirs. It refers to something that belongs to them. For example, the house on the other corner is theirs. Now, here's something important to remember. Possessive pronouns are different from possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns stand alone while possessive adjectives need a noun right after them. For example, this is my book. Now, if we use the possessive pronoun in this sentence, this book is mine. To avoid confusion, remember, don't mix up possessive pronouns with contractions. For example, its possessive is different from its, a contraction of it is. Clarity in communication. Possessive pronouns help you avoid repetition and make your sentences clearer. They are especially useful in conversation where it's obvious what you're talking about. For example, this is my favorite mug, but that one is yours. We finished our project, but there is still in progress. This toy is its favorite. And there you have it, possessive pronouns. The handy little words that make talking about ownership so much easier. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using a possessive pronoun in the comments below and let's see how well you have mastered this. If you found this video helpful, share and subscribe. Keep exploring English with me and I'll see you in the next video. Stay updated and keep learning.